Hello Adobe Express creators, want to frame your project in style? I'll show you how to add frames and give your design a polished look. Let's go! First, open the Adobe Express app and either create a new project or open an existing one. Select the image or graphic you want to frame. From the editing menu, look for the borders or frames option. Choose a frame style that fits your design. You can adjust the size and color of the frame to complement your project. Add different types of frames for variety in your designs. Try using minimalist borders for a plain look or bold frames for more dynamic effect. If the frame does not fit perfectly, try resizing your image or adjust the padding settings until it looks just right. What kind of frame do you like to use the most? Minimal or bold? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.